Picture this. You're staring at another strict meal plan, wondering how on earth you'll manage to eat grilled chicken and broccoli at exactly 2 p.m. when you've got back-to-back meetings all afternoon. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to achieve your nutritional goals without turning your life upside down? Today, we're diving into two popular nutrition approaches that might just change the way you think about healthy eating. The structured meal plan approach and the if it fits your macros approach, or IIFYM for short. From busy parents juggling family responsibilities such as taking the kids to soccer practice and running errands, to professionals managing back-to-back meetings and working long hours, I understand the struggle of finding a nutrition plan that actually works in real life. By the end of this video, you'll understand which approach might work better for your lifestyle, and more importantly, why. Hopefully, this will help you make a more informed decision that will lead to healthier, more sustainable habits. First, let's take a look at the structured meal plan approach. Think of a structured meal plan as your nutrition GPS. It tells you exactly what to eat and when. For example, every Tuesday at lunch, you're having grilled chicken and sweet potatoes. No guesswork, no decisions needed. These types of diets are usually prescribed by dietitians and doctors. They work great if someone has a specific health condition that needs to be addressed through nutrition interventions such as high blood sugar levels or hypertension. The beauty of a structured meal plan approach lies in its simplicity. You get improved dietary consistency, better nutrition intake, simplified grocery shopping, and a clear direction for meal prep. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and perfectly portioned containers. Imagine saying no to your child's birthday cake because it's not on your plan, or declining to eat that creamy potato salad that your friend's wife put all her effort into at the next barbecue. Guess who won't be invited next time? Or picture trying to pack 6 separate meals for a day-long business trip. The structure that makes these plans great can also make them challenging to maintain in real life. Plus, think about it this way. Will you be able to eat the same exact meals day in and day out for the rest of your life? And when you eventually go off the meal plan, all evidence points to you gaining back all the weight you lost from the meal plan simply because you didn't learn to track your nutrition properly, but instead relied on a fixed plan. So basically, it can work since it's simple to follow, but isn't sustainable over the long term, and the monotony and rigidity of the diet make it difficult to adhere to when taking into account social events and the fact that humans crave more variety in their meals. Next, let's talk about IIFYM. Where the structured meal plan approach was like a GPS, think of IIFYM as your nutrition budget, but instead of dollars, you're tracking proteins, carbs, and fats. The beauty? You decide how to spend them. Want that slice of pizza at the office party? Go for it. Just adjust your other meals accordingly. This flexibility means you can enjoy social events without stress, adapt to unexpected schedule changes, and learn about nutrition while maintaining freedom in food choices. However, there is a learning curve. First things first, you'll need to calculate your maintenance calories as well as the amount of each macronutrient you'll need to eat on a daily basis. Next, you'll have to define your goals, such as weight or fat loss or building muscle, and then calculate how much you need to change from your maintenance calories and macros in order to achieve those results. Next, you'll need to understand portion sizes and get comfortable with tracking. Another potential downside of IIFYM is that it can lead to an overemphasis on quantitative metrics potentially neglecting micronutrient intake and overall food quality. Additionally, it can encourage disordered eating patterns in some individuals who may focus excessively on tracking rather than intuitive eating. Balancing these aspects is crucial for long-term health. With that being said, let's take a look at a real-world scenario. You've got a client lunch meeting followed by your kids' soccer practice. With a structured plan, you might be stressing about finding a restaurant that serves your exact meal requirements. With IIFYM, you can order what fits the occasion and adjust your dinner accordingly. However, some people find the structure that the structured meal plan offers helps them avoid decision fatigue and maintain consistency in their busy schedules. So, with both solutions, there are advantages and trade-offs. The question you need to answer is which one will work best for your current life situation. Remember, the best nutrition plan is the one you can actually stick to. At Bear Balance Coaching, we're all about finding what works for you, not some idealized version of you with unlimited time and zero social obligations. If you're someone who thrives on structure and wants everything laid out, head over to nutrition.mybearbalance.com for our Done For You programs. But if you're thinking IIFYM sounds more your speed, check out coaching.mybearbalance.com, where we'll work together to create a plan that lets you enjoy the foods you love while reaching your goals. Plus, we'll do all the calculations and planning for you so that you can simply focus on tracking the foods you eat. Check it out in the links in the description below. If you found this helpful, YouTube's algorithm, which is definitely smarter than me, thinks you'll love this video right here. Until next time, remember, consistency coupled with balance is better than perfection. Cheers!